Ever dream of having your very own high-tech smart car? Let's talk what your future car might look like. Meet the Neural Co-Pilot, an AI so advanced it practically reads your mind. Picture hopping into the driver's seat. The headrest picks up your mood, your seatbelt gently hugs you, and the perfect playlist launches automatically. Feeling stressed? The ride goes plush. Feeling daring? It goes zippy. Over time, your Neural Co-Pilot learns your quirks. Bored? It'll suggest a scenic detour, no more nodding off at the wheel. But hold your horses. Who else sees these mood swings? Your insurance company tracking your stress to hike your premiums? Billboards trying to show you targeted ads based on how you feel? Or worst of all, hackers trying to spy on your day? We'll need airtight security measures to keep our emotional data safe. We might pick car personalities. Zen yoga instructor on Monday, stand-up comedian on Friday. Like changing your phone wallpaper, but way cooler. One day your car might make you feel better after a bad day, or laugh at your worst jokes. Hello future. Goodbye silent rides. So, if you had a smart car that synced with your emotions, would that be awesome or just plain creepy? Tag a friend, share, and let's hear your take. Because the future of driving is about to get personal.
Go Parts, your go-to place for auto parts.